Alright guys, welcome back to the channel. So in this video we are replacing the Sun Visor lights. They're regular halogen, so we replace them with LED. So that's for the 2017 Toyota Highlander. A lot of you guys who watch my videos have not subscribed, so take a little time right in here, hit the subscribe button for me, and then put notification on so you guys can see whenever I upload a new video. And thank you for the support. So we're gonna replace the visor lights first. So there is a little opening on the side here. I don't know if you could see it. Hold on, let me put my headlight on. Okay, there's a little opening right here. Ooh, there we go. You just pop it out, and I should be able to just pull this light out. There you go. Here's how tiny it is. Let me get the new one. And I bought these lights from Amazon, I believe. Let me see. Yeah, they're from Amazon. Take one out so you guys can see. So here it is. Just trying to squeeze it in there. Make sure it works first. Alright guys, so I don't know if you could see, so this is the old one, this is the new one. So what I think I need to do, because the old one has a little light on the top there, what I want to do is cut a tiny bit off the bottom of it. Should not affect the connection because it's too close to the plastic and I don't want it to burn. So that's the reason I'm cutting just a little bit off of it. Okay, as you could see, the connection is still there, so let's give that a try and see if that works. All right guys, so I took this out. It's literally clips holding it, top and bottom, and you have to be careful you don't break it. So there's two clips here. Actually, I mean, there's four, two on the top, two on the bottom, because so basically, you see when I put the light in here, it's so close to this and it's touching. I don't want it to touch because I don't want to start any fire in here. And then I finally got the light on. As you can see, it's on. You have to cut a little bit of the light like I showed you, and then you have to maneuver it to get into this hole. It is not easy, but possible. So anyway, now that the light is working, as you can see, it's working. Let's put it back to where it needs to go. It should, make sure the cable are not in the way. It should just pop back in. You may have to push it a little bit. There we go. Make sure it works. All right. Finally. So I think the easiest way to do it is take out this part. There's two clips here, two in there, and then you pop it off. Just take your time and then it should come off. All right guys, so driver side is the exact same way. Oh, this one is not popping off. This one is a little tougher. It eventually pops off. All right, let's pull this out. It's coming out. It's moving slowly. Okay, I got it. Just pop a small. Okay, just a little bit of it. Now let's try to line it up again. Hopefully I don't have to take this off, but I may have to. Let's see if I can do it without having to take it off. take it off. So the other one is right up here. And okay, there we go. Let's double check that. Okay, I think I may be able to put the normal size one on. I just gotta push it further back. Let's try it again. Okay, so I know the polarity is good. Okay, so you have to just maneuver it to get it to go in, and then I should be able to push it back. Too far back. And then it works now. Let me bend these things, these connection back. Oops. Make sure it still works. All right. Bend the front connection too. Okay. Let's do a couple of tests. Okay. So you can see, very nice. Finally got it to work. Okay, so now let's find the cover. Now let's just put this back into its place. So is that easier once you do it the first time? Now we know the light is working. Let's put the little cover back in. Okay, here it is. Whew. All right, guys, so look how nice these lights look. So here it is. It looks so much nicer. Let me wait for this to close out so you can see. Look really nice. I love it. So you could see at night just with the sun visor lights. Alrighty, that's all. Open the other stuff. There you go. Beauty, beauty, beauty. All right, guys, so I got the sun visor lights done. This video is done. I finally did the sun visor. It took me a little bit of time, but it is done. So anyway, thank you for watching. Until the next time, like and subscribe. Peace.